Hey guys, so we are out in White Settlement today and we are in the Windridge neighborhood, and this is the house we're going to look at today. It's got an open field right next to it, and on the other side, open field. Quiet neighborhood right off White Settlement Road, but this house is right under 3,600 square feet and it is built by Blue Ribbon Homes. Let's go check it out.
3, 2, 1.
All right, so like I said, this home is right under 3,600 square feet with you got two balconies, one on the front right there above the garage, and you have one on the back side. You have the iron front door, and you walk in, opens up to an open floor plan. This is the entryway, and right here to the right is a coat closet. And then right around here on the corner is the laundry room. Very spacious, with tall ceilings, and it is connected to the primary suite closet, so you have plenty of space in here. Definitely would probably have to get some curtains, but great lighting when you're getting dressed. And then the closet is connected to the primary suite bathroom. You have dual sinks, bathtub and shower is separate. Then you have the toilet room with the marble tile on the floor that goes down to a drain. And you have a color theme throughout the whole house. And then these Edison light bulbs on over the sink, which kind of gives it a warmer tone in the bathroom. And this is the primary suite. Nice floors with the ceiling fan and recessed lighting. You have a hallway right here that comes right back out to your entryway, now into the living area and the kitchen and dining room area. Here's the living room with the fireplace. Fireplace goes up really tall, makes an outstanding focal point. You see the staircase where it hangs over the living room with plenty of windows that light up the whole house. Then you have in your kitchen quartz countertops with the flush infinity look for the island. All new appliances, gas stove, gray cabinets, and then this is your pantry with a quartz countertop on that first level right there. Makes it nice with a few shelves and pantry cabinets below. Now this is your dining area that has the recessed lighting as well as a ceiling fan. Then out of the kitchen you have your mud room, storage and a seating right there, and some hooks for backpacks. And then right across here you have a half bath, gray colors again. And coming out of the bath right here you have the garage, great size 2-car garage. Now coming back into the open concept living and kitchen. Look at the fireplace again. Fireplace is just amazing. And then on the stairs you have real wood planks with gray theme again throughout. And this is a little open seating area with windows. Again, makes the whole house very bright. Looks over the living room. And you come in here to a bedroom. Again, ceiling fan and light along with the recessed lighting. You have a walk-in closet back here And you also have, again, carpet in the bedrooms. Then your laminate floor throughout the bathrooms. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom, so you have your vanity in the first set, and then you have in here the shower and tub that is tiled with a toilet, and then here is the other vanity and sink, which now connects to another bedroom, and the closet is on the back side as well, a walk-in closet. Again, same lighting. And this bedroom goes out to the back balcony. You have wood planks on the floor. Iron handrails across the whole balcony. Recessed lighting again on this patio. Ceiling fan with a light. Great view. Very spacious up here. Come back into the bedroom. Come back into this hallway. There's a closet right here on the left that has shelves for linens. Very good size. Now we make our way across this open seating area into a large game room is what the floor plan calls it, with French doors that open up to the front balcony. Plenty of windows all around with electrical plugs for TVs and gaming systems. Here's your balcony with the wood planks again. You have lights out here. We have a little storage closet that also features the water heater. And out of this open game room is a bathroom. The marble tile look again. You have clear flush glass, casing of the shower, the Edison light bulbs again, the quartz countertop, and then it goes into the other bedroom. Same lighting, recessed lighting, a ceiling fan, and another walk-in closet. And then the door that goes to the balcony on the other side. Then you come out back through the hallway, back to the open game room. Just a very open feel throughout the whole house. Bright lights. And then this is the French doors that goes out to the back patio. You can see the new windows that are encased with the blinds, so it makes it easy to shut and close. And this is the patio. And then great size yard. And then again, you have the recessed lighting up here and then ceiling fan with light. And then you really have a view because it's up on a hill. Just a really beautiful floor plan. Wasn't that an absolute beautiful home? Well, if you want to check out more home tours, please subscribe to my page. Or if you'd like me to set you up on a search so you can see what all homes are coming on the market, please reach out and get with me. I'm Brittany Hughes with eXp Realty. Thanks for checking out this video. Bye.